Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to delete custom calendar in Microsoft Project. Okay, so basically it's when you are using Microsoft Project, add a tool to create a project plan for the project. So maybe sometimes you need to do some customization for a calendar. Okay, so for example, you have another member working in the team need to have another calendar. He will be working on another different hours in with other people in the project. So you need to create a custom calendar for him. Okay. So in case we have a lot of custom calendar and you want to delete it, in this video today I will guide you how to do it. Okay. So now let's get started. And this is a Microsoft project and current version I'm using is 2019. Okay. So here, and for example, I enter some tag into this project. Task 1. I will copy it. Okay, something like so. Okay, so assuming I have just finished my creating task for my project. So now here, I want to do some customization for my calendar. I go to the project on the menus and then click on change working time. Okay, so in the pop-up change working time, you can see that by default it will select the status calendar. Okay, so here we have a 40-hour and night shift and standards. There are three project calendar by default. Okay, and in case if you think three calendar here is not enough for the project, so you can go ahead to create a new calendar for the team. For example, for my project, three calendar here is not enough, so I will create a new one. Click on create new calendar on the right hand, and then I will uh, a calendar. Okay, I will name it either okay, calendar for uh a selection, and I will select the option the copy from standards calendar. Okay, and then you see in the drop rabbit here, it has been selected as the calendar. So now I do some customization for it. For example, in this calendar, I will have a member working in some the Saturday and Sunday or something like this. Okay, I will be select. Oh, this guy will be working from the Monday to Saturday. Okay, or you can even do some exception. Working start and finish. Yeah. Okay, and then save it. I want to add one more calendar. This guy will start working from Tuesday and to Sunday, and they will be at work on Monday. From 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. On afternoon will be from the p.m. 1:30 sorry 1 1:30 p.m. and work will be the 6 p.m. Okay, okay, okay. So here you click on the change working time and click on drop down list here. You can see we have calendars for A and calendar 2 has just added into this project. Okay, so now in case if I want to delete calendar 2 here, so how to do it? If select this one and on change working time dialog, you didn't see any option to delete this calendar. Okay, so this is how to delete it. Okay, and just close this one because you cannot delete it on this change working time dialog. So you click on file and then click on information info option here, and then in the info you click on organizer. Okay, so a pop-up organizer will be appear. On this pop-up we have a lot of tabs: view, report, modules, tables, filter, and calendar, map, fields, group, and then you go ahead to select the calendar tab. Okay, in the calendar tab you can see here we have the global on the left side, and on the right side this will be the project 1. This is the current project we are working on. Yeah, so you select the here, select the values, the value in the right hand in calendar 2, and then you click on delete button. A confirmation dialog will be appear. It says that you want to delete. If you click on yes button, it will go ahead to delete the calendar 2. Otherwise, in case you don't want to delete it, you click on no. Okay, delete. And I close this one and come back to the change working time and click on calendar drop down list here. Okay, and you see now the calendar 2 has been deleted and we cannot find the calendar 2 in our project. Okay, you do the same thing if you want to delete the calendars for A. Delete it. Okay, I close this and come back to the change working time. Okay, and you see here we have no the calendar for A anymore. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after if you finish this video, you know how to create a new calendar. I mean custom calendar for your project. And then you also know how to do the delete or remove a custom calendar in your project plan. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later in other video.